just able to open it. Oops.
Oh, you dropped it. How you gonna eat it?
The best part.
Get some more.
It's the best part.
There's more right there.
Oh, goodness.
You're getting it. You want it back up there?
Maybe turn it on its side.
Yeah. You're getting it. Open it up.
You're just gonna take it away from me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You might need some help from Mom.
There you go. You got it. Blocks. We don't have any blocks, huh?
Say, you give me work. Good for dexterity. Ooh!
Oh, look.
Wow!
Look at that.
Yeah, a big
Look
smile.
how happy that little boy is there. You're going to have
You see her
lots
look
of
around here
fun.
and smile?
Uh-huh.
You like that?
You like?
You like it? Good. There's more. There's more stuff. Open that one up.
Sure, it's pretty heavy.
Open that up. Let's see what this
Thank you.
is inside.
Thank you.
Look, Avery. See what you do with those.